Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video, I'll share a highly accurate and user-friendly Forex trading indicator for MT4. This indicator will significantly improve your analysis and enhance the precision of your trades by identifying trending markets and aligning with prominent traders' positions. Besides providing signals, this indicator also offers recommended stop-loss and take-profit levels, simplifying your trading process. All you need to do is follow the indicator's signals and set your stop-loss and take-profit levels as indicated by the indicator. That's it. This indicator is particularly beneficial for beginners. Now, let's delve into the trading rules for this indicator. When the background color of the indicator is white, only consider taking sell trades. When the background color is blue, exclusively look for buy trade opportunities. Set your stop-loss and take-profit levels at the values suggested by the indicator. For the best results, use a candle timeframe of 15 minutes or higher. It's advisable to trade during the European and New York trading sessions when the market is more active. Avoid trading when significant news releases are imminent, as they can lead to unpredictable price movements. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter. We are going to take backtest of this indicator, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. Free download this indicator, link given in the description. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.